Waste is definitely wealth, and we are proud the way it's amplified. The vision that Mr. Mauvin, his son McLean, has about the environment, the future. I mean, the entire electricity that is to be procured is been procured from the waste. आपने अपने ही आसपास का जो गार्बेज है उसको आपने यूटिलाइज किया है इस वातावरण को सुंदर करने के लिए, and to lit this whole up, and that's the biggest point.
We have continuously organized tree plantation drive. Today we have started initiative by Bhamla Foundation. They are almost planting 10,000 trees in Goa, I think so. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
10,000 trees they are planning. So this is a start today. So I like to thank Bhamla Foundation for taking such a great initiative, because today environment is everything.
Goa is already very green and it is a beautiful city, but we want to plant more trees over there because I think this is the best thing to do. And yeah, thank you sir for keeping your constituency so green.
See, my theme has always been clean and green Goa as the step in cleanliness of Goa. First of all, we have to manage our garbage scientifically, and that's how we have this Woow plant. Woow plant means well out of waste. We, out of the garbage that comes here, after segregation in the MRF here, after getting sewage water, after getting effluent water, all this is being treated here very scientifically, and it is managed so well that today the panchayat, which used to pay about 4 to 5 lakhs to get this job done, does not pay a single rupee. And along with that, I want to say that we save a lot on electricity. This plant is run by the electricity generated out of the waste, that is out of methane gas which is generated. We don't buy any electricity. We have plans, it's almost ready. Our Joggers park in the vicinity also will be electrified with this garbage power. At the same time, we need something like 50 to 60,000 liters of water by which we water our Joggers park. We used to use the same pipeline which carries potable water, used to carry the water to the park for watering. Other plants would have died. We got more than 6,000 trees. How do we do that? We have laid a special line from here. After the water that is generated here out of the waste, it waters the plant. Except drinking, you can use it for flushing, you can use it for watering plant, you can use it for washing cars, everything. That's why it's called a Woow plant. Wealth out of waste. Electricity bills we don't pay water bills. Therefore that money saved is money earned.